want to be fit and strong, but you don't have time to go to the gym and you don't want to spend money, I have a solution for you. Exercise like a military trainee. They do these simple exercises whenever they go for meals. I'm gonna show you how. Each one is 10 pull-ups. The next one is standard push-ups, 50. Next is your core, either flutter kicks or alternate leg squats. 20 counts of 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Last but definitely not the least is squats for your legs, 50. This activity won't take up a lot of your time. It's gonna be less than 10 minutes. If you're struggling to finish one set, reduce it by 50% until you become comfortable in doing the full numbers. I hope this video helps you. Please like, subscribe, and train hard.